Gentlemen, let's have an honest conversation. There's a quiet shift happening for many of you as the years go by, a subtle yet undeniably significant change in how your mornings feel, how your energy flows, and frankly, how reliably certain situations unfold. Perhaps you've noticed it, that undeniable drop in vitality, the lingering feeling that your best years, your most robust mornings, are somehow behind you. It's a concern many men whisper about, if they speak of it at all, often accepting it as an inevitable part of aging. But what if I told you that this decline isn't an unchangeable fate? What if the key to unlocking renewed vigor, unwavering confidence, and those dependable mornings you once knew lies hidden in plain sight, within the very ritual you already practice daily? You're already reaching for that morning cup of coffee, aren't you? It's a non-negotiable part of your routine. But what if that simple cup could be transformed from just a wake-up call into a potent elixir, a natural powerhouse designed to support your blood flow, skyrocket your energy, and yes, bring back the reliability to those crucial morning moments? My name is Dr. Nora Hayes, and for 7 years I've dedicated my practice as a urologist to helping men over 50 not just cope, but truly reclaim their confidence, their vibrant energy, and their full vitality. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on how to elevate your everyday coffee from a mere habit into a revolutionary performance booster, all without relying on expensive pills, clunky devices, or fleeting gimmicks. This isn't just about feeling a little better, it's about rediscovering the powerful, energetic man you know you still are, and doing it with surprising ease. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could fundamentally change your outlook starting tomorrow morning. Before we dive into these life-changing insights, please do me a quick favor. Show your support by hitting the like button, share in the comments where you're joining us from, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on. That way, you won't miss any of these truly practical strategies designed to help you reclaim your inherent strength and unwavering confidence. The unspoken truth about men's health after 50. Here's a vital piece of information that far too many men simply don't ever hear or perhaps refuse to acknowledge. That noticeable dip in morning performance after the age of 50 isn't solely or even primarily about testosterone levels. While hormones certainly play a role in the intricate symphony of your body, they are often just one instrument in a much larger orchestra. The true, often overlooked culprit is frequently your body's circulation system. Take a moment to truly consider this. As the years progress, our blood vessels naturally begin to stiffen, losing the youthful elasticity they once possessed. The body's natural production of nitric oxide, a crucial molecule responsible for signaling your blood vessels to relax and open wide, starts to decline. This means those incredibly tiny, delicate arteries that are absolutely essential for robust penile function begin to narrow, impeding the very flow that brings life and vigor. Regular coffee, with its quick jolt of caffeine, might offer a fleeting burst of alertness, giving you a temporary spike in perceived energy. However, it's akin to applying a small, decorative band-aid to a pipe that's slowly but surely springing multiple leaks. It addresses the symptom without touching the underlying issue. What your body truly needs, especially as you navigate the second half of life, isn't just a temporary boost. It requires premium fuel, a carefully curated blend of ingredients that actively support healthy blood flow, foster hormonal balance, and provide sustained energy, all conveniently delivered in that single, comforting cup you already hold each morning. Over my 7 years working as a urologist, I've had the privilege of guiding thousands of men from diverse backgrounds, from meticulous engineers and dedicated teachers to courageous veterans, all of whom felt that their most vibrant, energetic years were unfortunately behind them. And time again, the genuinely transformative solution wasn't found in a cryptic prescription or a complex medical procedure. It was discovered in the power of everyday foods and the adoption of intelligent, mindful morning routines. Your morning coffee, believe it or not, is the perfect, unassuming vessel for this transformation. But if we simply consume it black or loaded with sugar, we are fundamentally missing a profound opportunity to transform it into a powerful tool for enhancing both your vascular and hormonal health. The secret lies in deliberately incorporating specific, potent ingredients at precisely the right moment each morning, thereby optimizing your body's incredible natural systems to perform at their absolute best. Cinnamon, nature's blood sugar stabilizer. Let's begin with cinnamon, an ingredient you likely already have in your pantry, yet one whose full power you might not realize. Now, I can almost hear your thoughts. Cinnamon in my coffee? That sounds unusual. But I urge you to hear me out on this one, as not all cinnamon varieties are created equal. For daily beneficial use, you specifically want Ceylon cinnamon, which is naturally low in a compound called coumarin, making it safe for consistent consumption. Biologically, Ceylon cinnamon acts as a remarkable stabilizer for your blood sugar levels, effectively preventing those dramatic spikes and subsequent crashes that can leave you feeling drained and irritable. Why is this so critically important? Because persistently, high blood sugar is a silent but potent aggressor, relentlessly damaging the smallest, most delicate arteries in your body. And those tiny vessels, even thinner than a human hair, that supply blood to your penis, are often the very first ones to suffer. Cinnamon's powerful polyphenols step in to protect these vital microvessels and steadfastly support a smooth, consistent blood flow, which is the absolute bedrock of achieving and maintaining reliably firm erections. Emotionally, the impact is profound. When your blood flow is steady and dependable, a powerful sense of confidence naturally resurfaces. You're no longer plagued by nagging worries about whether things will perform as expected during intimate moments, because you intuitively know your body is functioning precisely as it should. Practically integrating this into your routine is incredibly simple. Just add 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your coffee each morning. You'll soon notice a remarkably smoother, more consistent energy throughout your entire day, free from the dreaded caffeine jitters or the abrupt energy crashes. One of my patients, a 58-year-old contractor whose demanding work often left him exhausted, shared with me that this simple addition was the difference between needing an afternoon nap and confidently powering through his workday, feeling genuinely alive and invigorated once more. Cocoa powder, a natural nitric oxide booster. Next on our list of potent additions is unsweetened cocoa powder. And let me be clear, we're talking about real dark cocoa here, not those sugary hot chocolate mixes. Absolutely no added sugar is the rule. Biologically, cocoa is a treasure trove of incredible plant compounds known as flavonoids, particularly one called epicatechin. These flavonoids play a critical role in dramatically increasing your body's natural production of nitric oxide. Remember, nitric oxide is that crucial molecule responsible for signaling your blood vessels to relax, widen, and allow for optimal blood flow throughout your entire body. After the age of 50, as we discussed, nitric oxide production often diminishes significantly, but the consistent addition of cocoa can help to restore these vital levels naturally. For you, this translates directly into firmer, more sustained erections and a noticeable improvement in overall circulation from head to toe. Emotionally, the benefits are like flipping a switch. When your circulation is optimized, you experience heightened alertness, a profound sense of confidence, and a renewed eagerness to fully engage with life's opportunities and, importantly, with intimacy. Practically incorporating this is delightfully simple. Just stir 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder into your morning coffee. The result? A rich, luxurious mocha-like flavor without any of the detrimental sugar. As an added bonus, cocoa also contains natural compounds like anandamides and phenylethylamine, which are known to enhance mood, ensuring that your brain feels just as good and vibrant as your body. Maca powder, an adaptogen for hormonal harmony. Moving forward, let's talk about maca powder, an ancient Peruvian root revered for centuries as a natural Viagra among indigenous cultures. Biologically, it's important to understand that maca doesn't force blood flow in the same way a pharmaceutical pill might. Instead, it works subtly yet powerfully as an adaptogen, helping your body to naturally produce and regulate its own hormones, gently bringing them back into balance. This incredible root boasts an impressive nutritional profile containing 19 essential amino acids, vital minerals like magnesium and zinc, and a unique array of compounds specifically designed to support healthy testosterone production and provide a consistent, natural energy boost. Emotionally, the feedback from men who incorporate maca into their routines is consistently positive and deeply personal. They report feeling more resilient, a profound sense of returning to their true selves, both mentally and physically. It's about feeling grounded, capable, and ready to face life's challenges with renewed vigor. Practically, a simple teaspoon of maca powder added to your coffee 3 to 4 times a week is all it takes. Be patient, as its beneficial effects tend to build steadily over 2 to 3 weeks. It offers a unique, subtly nutty, almost malted flavor that blends surprisingly well with coffee. For those curious, yellow maca is the mildest and most common, red maca is known for supporting prostate health, and black maca is often chosen for its more pronounced energy-boosting properties. Bunts. Coconut oil, the fuel for testosterone production. Now I know what you might be thinking. Coconut oil in coffee sounds a bit unconventional, perhaps even strange. But trust me, this particular addition is exceptionally powerful. Biologically, it's fundamental to understand that testosterone, that crucial male hormone, is actually synthesized in your body from cholesterol and various fats. Coconut oil provides a direct and efficient source of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Your liver readily converts these MCTs into immediate, sustained energy, ensuring you experience a steady stream of vitality throughout your entire morning. Crucially, this consistent availability of healthy fats also acts as a vital building block, directly supporting your body's natural production of testosterone. Emotionally, the ripple effect of steady, consistent energy is remarkable. When your energy levels are reliably high, your confidence naturally soars. You feel alert, fully engaged, and genuinely ready to tackle whatever your day throws at you with enthusiasm and capability. Practically, begin with just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, thoroughly blended into your coffee. Using a blender or a small frother is key here, as it emulsifies the oil beautifully, creating a creamy, luxurious, latte-like texture that's truly enjoyable. If you happen to experience any initial digestive sensitivity, simply start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it over time as your body adjusts. Ginger, your body's circulation rocket fuel. Finally, let's turn our attention to ginger, whether fresh or in its convenient powdered form. Biologically, ginger is a phenomenal ingredient, packed with compounds that actively dilate blood vessels, thereby improving circulation. It's also a potent natural anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce systemic inflammation that can hinder overall health. Furthermore, numerous studies have indicated that daily ginger consumption can significantly boost testosterone levels and even improve both sperm count and motility, crucial factors for male fertility and vitality. Emotionally, the benefits of protecting and enhancing testicular function are profound. It translates into a deep-seated feeling of mental and physical strength, a confident assurance that your body is performing exactly as it should, empowering you in every aspect of your life. Practically, incorporating ginger is incredibly simple. You can add a thin slice of fresh ginger to your coffee as it brews, or stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger directly. Fresh ginger offers an immediate burst of its volatile, active oils, providing a direct, invigorating kick. Powdered ginger, on the other hand, is more concentrated and provides sustained long-term benefits that build up over time. Crafting your personalized morning upgrade. Now, a crucial piece of advice. Do not attempt to incorporate all 5 of these powerful ingredients on day 1. That, my friends, is a surefire recipe for digestive chaos and discomfort. Instead, adopt a smart, gradual approach to allow your body to adjust and respond positively. For week 1, begin by simply adding a 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your coffee every single morning. Focus on how you feel. For week 2, introduce 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, adding it to your daily cinnamon-infused brew. During week 3, start incorporating a teaspoon of maca powder 3 times a week into your evolving coffee ritual. And by week 4, choose either coconut oil or ginger, whichever ingredient resonates most with you at that moment, and begin to integrate it into your morning cup. Throughout this entire process, pay close attention and track your energy levels, your mood, your morning performance, and even your workout effectiveness. You will undoubtedly begin to notice distinct improvements in a mere 2 to 3 weeks, and by the end of a month, this transformative ritual can seamlessly become a permanent, cherished part of your daily routine. For those mornings when time is truly of the essence, consider the Morbisanzo lazy man option. Simply pre-mix your Ceylon cinnamon and unsweetened cocoa powder in a small container. Then, in the morning, just scoop 1 spoonful into your coffee, stir, and you're done in a lightning-fast 5 seconds. For a truly indulgent and potent experience, perhaps on a relaxed weekend, try the Weekend Power Brew. Blend your coffee with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cocoa, and a small thin piece of fresh ginger. The result is a creamy, utterly delicious, and incredibly effective elixir that invigorates your senses and your body. Your best years are still ahead. Gentlemen, please understand this fundamental truth. Your body has not given up on you. It is an incredibly resilient and adaptive machine, always ready to respond to the right kind of support. Even small, consistent, and intentional changes, like these simple additions to your morning coffee, possess the remarkable power to restore your confidence, reignite your energy, and dramatically enhance your intimate performance. I have witnessed men in their 60s, 70s, and even their 80s experience incredible life-affirming results with these straightforward, easily accessible ingredients. This isn't about chasing some fleeting quick-fix fantasy. It's about deeply supporting your body's innate natural systems, reclaiming your sense of identity, and feeling genuinely alive and vibrant once more. So here is my direct challenge to you. Tomorrow morning, take that first step. Upgrade your coffee with just 1 of these powerful ingredients. Start small, commit to being consistent, and then simply observe how your energy, your circulation, and your overall confidence begin to respond and transform. Drop a comment below and let me know what you currently put in your coffee and which of these incredible ingredients you're excited to try first. And if this message resonated with you, if it sparked a flicker of hope that your body is still capable of truly amazing things, please hit that subscribe button for more real, honest talk about men's health after 50. No judgment, just practical, actionable tips that genuinely work. Remember, age is not an expiration date for your vitality. Small, intentional actions woven into your everyday routine, especially each morning, hold the profound potential to completely revolutionize your energy, your circulation, and your self-assured confidence. Stay strong, gentlemen. This is Dr. Nora Hayes, reminding you that the very best years of your life are not tucked away in the past. They are, in fact, just beginning to unfold, and you have the power to make them extraordinary.